Coupon at okinawalife.com.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Judge and Carlo, see the chops. Judges? The fact that he took a huge chance by making salad. But still, yeah.